This week's video is called The Colour Rainbow. It's a thank you song to key workers from their children. The children worked really hard to share their ideas with me about how proud they are of their parents, carers and relatives who are still working really hard at the moment. I then took these ideas, put them into a song. I really hope you enjoy it. Part 1! I'm going to go through the tune quite slowly, so if you want to follow along, make sure you've got the music in front of you. 1, 2, 3. 3 naught 2, 3 2 naught, 3 naught 2, 3 2 naught naught 2, 3 naught 2, 3 2 naught, 3 naught 2, 3 2 3 5 3 2, 3 naught 2, 3 2 naught, 3 naught 2, 3 2 naught naught 2, 3 naught 2, 3 2 naught, 3 naught 2, 3 2 3 5 3 2 naught 3. The tune for the chorus next after 1 2 3 4 1. You ready? 1 2 3 4 1. 2 2 2 3 2 2 2 2 2 3 naught naught 2 naught 2 naught 2 2 2 3 2 2 2 2 3 naught naught 2 naught 2 naught 2 2 2 2 3 2 2 2 2 2 3 naught naught 2 naught 2 naught 2 2 2 3 2 2 2 2 3 naught naught 2 naught 2 naught 3 3. You've then got verse 2 and the chorus for a second time, and then we have the clapping bit. So for the clapping bit, you can either sort of tap your ukulele, or maybe if you mute the strings with your left hand, you can sort of do this. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7, then give a little cheer. Then again, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7, then cheer. 2 3, then the bridge. The bridge section starts after the clapping. It's the bit that starts off with nurses, doctors, carers. Okay, you ready? After 1 2 3 4 1. Nice and slow. 1 2 3 4 1. Naught naught 3 naught 2 naught naught 3 2 2 2 naught 2 naught 3 2 3 naught 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 3 naught 2 naught naught 3 2 2 2 naught 2 naught 3 2 3 naught 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 3 naught 2 naught naught 3 2 2 2 naught 2 naught 3 2 3 naught 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 3 naught 2 naught naught 3 2 2 2 naught 2 naught 3 2 3. And after that, you play the chorus one more time to finish. Part 2. So the chords go a little something like this. You've got the G chord, you've got the D chord, and you've got the C chord. And then eventually you'll come across the E minor chord as well. The introduction uses the chords G, D, and C. Let's try that now with the backing track. Are you ready? 1 2 3 4. G, D, C. Ready for the D? D, G, then the D, then the C. Each verse uses the same chords as the introduction. Here we go, you ready?
They wake up,
G,
they get dressed,
D,
they put on
C,
their smiles of courage,
D,
working hard
G,
to succeed,
D,
to make us
C,
a safer place for us. We thank you
G,
from our hearts,
D,
each and
C.
every one.
Ready for the D?
hero,
D,
unite
G,
and chill out.
D,
Every
then the C.
colour of the whole rainbow.
Chorus now. The chorus uses the same chords once again as the verse and the introduction. Are you ready?
Ready
for the G? G, Ready for the D?
your kindness.
D, G,
You give us hope.
D,
We're grateful for
C,
the colour rainbow that you
D, G,
We believe in you.
D,
You inspire us.
C,
We thank you for your kindness.
D, G,
You give us
and
hope.
D,
We're grateful for
C.
the colour
Ready?
rainbow that
D,
you made.
G. The next bit involves some clapping for our key workers. Are you ready? Here we go.
The rainbow
Ready?
that you
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Cheer. Woo! And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Cheer. Woo! Bridge. The bridge uses 3 chords in this order. It uses C chord, then the E minor chord, and then the D chord. You ready?
Yay!
Ready? C,
Nurses, doctors,
E minor,
carers are the
and D.
workers in the shops need
Hold that
to
D,
be
and
bold.
C.
Paramedics
E minor,
drive the
and
trucks,
D. 2,
holding
3,
up
4,
our food
5, 6,
videos
and again, and C.
Teachers care for
E minor,
children after
and
grade,
D.
working hard for those
5,
they
6,
need
7,
to
8, and
save.
C.
Firefighters work
E minor,
around the
and
clock,
D.
and the thin
Back
men
to the
for
chorus
no
to
accident.
finish. Part 3. Part 3 uses 3 notes. Okay, you've got 0 on the low A string here. You've got fret 2, use your second finger if you can, and fret 3. Okay? So when you see a 0, play the string on its own. When you see a 2, press down on fret 2, 1, 2. When you see a 3, play fret 3, 1, 2, 3. Like that. Ready for the introduction of part 3. Here we go. Get your second finger on that second fret. 1, 2, 3, 4. 2, naught, 3. Then the same again. Go. 2, naught, 3. Then comes a verse. First verse, part 3. Here we go. Ready?
They wake up,
2,
they get dressed,
naught,
they put on
3.
their smiles of courage, working hard to succeed,
naught,
to make Earth
3.
a safer place for us. We thank you
2,
from our heart,
naught,
each and
3.
everyone a hero. We unite
2,
and chill out.
naught,
Every
3.
color of
Here's the
the
chorus.
rainbow you are.
2,
We believe in you.
naught,
You inspire us.
3.
We thank
Keep going with that.
you for
1,
your
2, here it comes, and 2,
You give us hope.
naught,
We're grateful for
3.
the color rainbow that you.
2,
We believe in you.
naught,
You inspire us.
3.
We thank you for your kindness.
and 2,
You give us hope.
naught,
We're grateful
and
for
3.
the color rainbow that you made.
2.
There are much.
So, after that comes verse 2 and the chorus again. Verse 2, same as verse 1, so you can do that. And then we get to the clappy bit. Okay, let's just practice that clappy bit. It's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Cheer! And you do that twice. Ready? 1, 2, here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And cheer! 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Woo! Then the bridge. For the bridge, you're going to start on the 3. Ready?
Yay!
And 3.
Nurses, doctors, carers are the old
Naught.
workers in the shops.
Then repeat that. Here we go. And 3.
Paramedics, those
2.
who drive the trucks,
Naught.
dropping off our food.
Very good. And again. 3.
Teachers care for children after break.
Naught.
Working hard for those
1,
they
2,
need
3,
to
4.
save.
3.
Firefighters working round the clock.
Naught.
And the thin men for
Here comes the chorus and
we believe in
naught.
you inspire us.
3.
We thank you for your kindness.
2.
You give us hope.
Naught.
We're grateful for
3.
the color rainbow that
Get rid of the 2. 2.
we believe in you.
Naught.
You inspire